more of the downhill slide now. So we've got Chapter 8 in marketing, we've got Chapter 3 in revenue management, and getting very close. You've got about 3 more weeks, give or take, until your project assignment, whatever you want to call it, is going to be due. So at this point, I hope that you feel like that's something that I hope that you've already begun working on, and that you're also fairly close to completing it with some last minute tweaks or some questions that you may have. So again, when we look at this class in marketing and revenue management, you can kind of see, even though the chapters are kind of here, there, and everywhere the way we're doing it, how they're working together, and how I hope a clearer picture is starting to develop for you as to what it means to work in these two fields, and how, again, this type of analysis isn't specific to our industry, right? Maximizing revenue, how we determine pricing and structure. Because, if you've already read this, it didn't start in our industry. It started in the airline industry. And I kind of hope as you look at this stuff, you're kind of, in your everyday life, looking at things and going, oh, okay, now I understand why it's priced like this. And now I understand why it costs this much on this day, and this much on that day, and this much on this month, and this much on that month, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm hoping you're getting the takeaway from that at the very least.